So I got a clamp from DJI OM6, and today in this video I want to show you how you can connect the DJI OM6 to your device, which can be an Android or an iPhone. So first of all, I'm gonna take my DJI OM6 device and put it here on the table so you can see it more clearly. That's the one I will connect to my iPhone. In my case, you probably have an Android, which pretty much works the same and nothing complicated. So I'll get my iPhone here on the table and let's put them all together. First of all, just need to put this one on here, screw in, nothing complicated at all. This is the clamp for your phone. It's not that big, as you can see here. So if you have a massive phone, it might not work. If you have maybe a bad case on your phone, again, might not work, might be too heavy for the gimbal and you might have to change that or might take it off. In my case, this one works pretty good because I've tried and I've recorded some videos for YouTube and it works fine. I'm gonna put a clamp on my phone. Just make sure you're really done here, you check. So if you can see the camera here, means you need to put up where the camera is. So if the camera is here on top, this side needs to go on top here as well. So that's the one. It's all done. Now we're gonna have to open this, and when you open the gimbal, as you can see here, it automatically opens itself. You don't have to do anything else. Apart from that, you'll have to download the app which calls DJI Memo. So you'll have to download that and you'll have to connect this device to your application. So let's have a look. In my case, I'm already connected, so it's nothing complicated. I'm already logged in to the app because you'll have to log in as well. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the gimbal. So if you have any DJI drones, means you have a DJI account, which means you can log in on this app as well and just use the gimbal the way you want it. So let's connect the gimbal. All right. Just 1 second. Let's go back. Come on. Go home. And now I'm gonna stick my phone to the gimbal itself. So as you can see here, it's already connected. I'm assuming so. Yeah. So if it does this, it means it's not leveled. So your phone needs to be adjusted accordingly, just to make sure it is level with the gimbal. Let's have a look now. Again, it's not connected, so I will have to. So that's all connected right now. I had to struggle a bit. I don't know what was the issue. Probably I had to take it off and put it back. But that's pretty much straightforward how you can connect them two together. Nothing complicated. Just make sure you download the app from the App Store or Play Store or even DJI website, and you can crack on. Just use the gimbal. It's pretty nice gimbal. Haven't used that much, but it's really good gimbal. Again, thanks for watching this short video. Any questions, ask in the comments. This was just a short video how to show you how to connect them devices together. Again, if you're not really into tech, this is not really complicated at all. Just open it up, create an account, log in, and just switch on and connect them together. That's it. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.